Hi miss, how can I use Word from home when I do not have Microsoft Office on my laptop?
In order to use Word from home, firstly you will need to log into your Year Group Learning dashboard, which can be accessed from the school website. So type in Beckford Thornton in any search engine and click on the link. Once you enter the school website, scroll down to your Year Group Learning dashboard. Click on the year group you belong to and this will send you to the Microsoft login page. Enter your school email and press Next. You will then be redirected to the Beckford Trust sign-in page. You will need to repeat the previous step, so enter your school email and your school password, then click Sign In. This will then take you into your Year Group Learning dashboard. Scroll down to the Office 365 tab, which looks like a cloud, and click on the tab. You will be rerouted to the Office 365 sign-in page. Type in your school email and password, click Sign In. You have now entered Office 365. Remember, Office 365 is a cloud version of the Microsoft Office. This means it gives you access to all the apps provided by Microsoft Office, but online instead. If you go towards the left-hand side, you will see all the different apps. You can access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, and Teams. Go to the top and click on Word. You will now enter the Word space, which will include recently opened files and shared files. Go to the top and press New Document. You now have access to Word from home, even if you do not have Microsoft Office on your laptop. The same process can be applied to PowerPoint or any other Office app. You can use Office 365 to complete any work.
But miss, how can I save this file when there's no save button?
That is what makes Office 365 unique. It is a cloud storage, so it saves your document automatically in your OneDrive folder. You can change the name of your document on the top toolbar. So no need to worry about saving your work, it is being done all by itself. You can check whether your document has been saved by visiting OneDrive. You will see it in Recent Files.